Hello guys, what's up? You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and let's outlooks to risk of your Gmail password. Yes, she has lost her device and due to that she has recommended to the risk of this array. So we will try to recover this array. Of course, there is a sanction that in the by general methods he has attempted that to rescue of your accounts. Answer is questions on and seconds that if your account is managed with the family link and any alternative email, then of course we will send an email to your the parents to change your password. We cannot support by two options guys here. Let's get it? No. Firstly, let's execute once again. What's really these kind of the things is the coming especially. Take any smartphones, you will have to apply a similar strategy that I will show you. Similar executions, I assure you 100% you will be able to have the rest of your emails. Either you don't have the recovery email, the recovery phone, or in a case someone who has a hijacked, hacked your email password, stolen your email password, unfortunately you forgot, don't worry, or lost. See, we are having this kind of the problems. We approach alternative options only when the two option is giving that, so we will cut it from here now. Simply we will have to go in a especially Play Store. In the Play Store, what we will do here, yes, we will have to install the Power Browser. Power Browser I have already installed because the total size of approximately 120 or 26 MB. So maybe actually it will take much more time than it was taking time much more than of course a video would be learned this way. So now directly it has I have already installed. So sorry. Now we will go for directly open it and see here. Yes, it's welcoming, no problem at all. So this kind of things will happen. So don't click on especially set a defaults and then things especially. We'll go for directly continue. And by this browser, of course, we will get more options to rescue from this array and see how easily this can be. Yes, bring on and directly you can skip it, no problem at all. Now here, these kind of these things that appearance, what you would like to have, these kind of things, no problem at all. Here, click on don't allow, fines. Because I will show you why I'm saying here don't allow. Now we can see here that we will go for especially google.com, and when we click on a google.com, we have the corner right there, sign in. In sign in, simply we will have to write in this array. So let's write. Yes, I will directly take it from here. Now what we will do guys here, simply we have options that next, because we don't have a password, so here is asking password. Now see here what will happen. Here we will go for actually forgot password. When we will click on a forgot password, then see here we have the one more options, try another way, because we don't have a last password. Now say here is a function that a device, we don't have a device, so we will tap on a here that we don't have. So when we will click on a don't have, then here is a last one, 66 digit. It's a verified account guys here. So first we will come on here. Now see here, don't have a phone number. So now here is a more options. Yes, and this can be the possibility answer as many question as you can. Second, that is use a device where we have the shine in before. And the third is that if your account is managed with the family links. And fourth is that more tips to the rest of this account. So of course, this can be recovered if you getting more tips to the rest of this accounts. By that we have raised here. Don't click on here. Yes, we will take a cut it from here directly. Don't click on try again, otherwise in this account may be a phrase for time being, so because Google will track easily that I'm trying to the rest of this accounts via different browser. Now we will take it in the Google Assistant, more tips to the rest, and easily this can be recovered. So we'll have to go in the inside of the setting of your device. Take any smartphones. I repeat, similar strategy applies, no problem at all. You would be able to if you execute a similar way. So watch carefully step by steps. Now we will come on here guys. When we will click on here to rescue of it, then what we will do here, just simply here we have two changes that I have already mentioned to you guys, or I did not, I don't know. So let me confirm here. Directly we will come on here to click on this on especially Gmail 2, of course we will have to come the notifications 2, of course we will have to make it off, and Now what we will do, guys, here we will come in a permissions to, of course, we will have to go for change the locations to, we will have to make it the precise location of, we will click on here, don't allow, so no longer function as intended for time beings. Now we have close it. Now we will back here one more times, guys. Do a strategy similar way. Now we will come on here, set as a default of this browser, we will go for open, you will have open, guys. So let's clear 4-5 times, click on here, then make it disable. So now see this one we have done. Check it out how many browser you are using. Yes, we have a two browser, one is a Chrome, one is a special Google browser, and the third one is especially, of course, that's Power browser I have installed. Now yes, we will click on these icons, and upon what we will do here, just we will come in a permissions to, of course, we will have to navigate the locations to make it the precise location of, and click here, don't allow anyway, no longer the function is intended. Means now Chrome will not be functional, of course Google browser won't be functional, one must say especially, that is a Power browser would be a functionals. Now of course we will remove the all especially and use the apps and these things, and we will directly we will check it out. Notification is enabled, so they make it off, guys. Here, don't make your stupid things now. Yes, I have to close the everything. Now once again, sorry, I was going especially settings, so before going the setting you have to do these things. Now we will come on especially Google services and the preferences, just we will have to click on here, and upon we'll have to tap on this on we will have option, that is a help options. In a help option, what we will do, guys, here in a help option, don't do anything, so guys, here just click on write hacked recovery or hacked Gmail recovery. Yes, if you're getting this kind of the clue on your smartphones, now yes, a secured, hacked and compromised Gmail accounts, we will have to tap on it, and when we tap on it, then what will happen, guys, here we will have to come the review your account activities, tap on it, and here we can see that find out if your account has been hacked. But one more clue I would like to tell you here, if you would like to see how many devices are logged with this Gmail ID, by clicking on here you can go for, but right now yes, the video is going to become a lengthy, so that's why let's quick to now I clicked on especially find out if your account has been hacked. Now here is option these steps, just we will have to go for one by one, step by step you will have to execute. So now here is a yes, account recovery page, this ones, but don't click. Firstly we will have to come on here, create a replacement Gmail accounts, and avoid getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. Yes, two things only when coming if can't Gmail signs, then of course we will click on this recovery page, and simply yes, we would be on a recovery page directly, and here don't do anything, so just ID will be recommended, we will go for here because of Power browser, and easily see here what's going to happen, so guys, this ID has been recovered. What do you say? Yes, now don't click on a continue, because we have a 2-3 of course more tips that we would like to show you here. If you click on a continue, then you would be trapped in its verify you option, so don't click, because we don't have the recovery phone. So OTP would be generated on a 66 last digit number, we will have to remove firstly, so we will tap on this update password. When we will click, now we have this strong opportunity to create a password, confirm password, click on a save, don't escape. When we save, then yes, we will go in the account recovery management or Google account management. There you will have a security option there. Firstly add an email, and after adding email, then you can easily remove recovery number that was added, and after adding, then of course you can add a new number, so this ID will be permanently and fully secured. Yes, on a live screen we cannot go further because it's a data privacy concern of my viewer, guys. So this is all about off a screen we will create and we will deliver to this viewer. So this is all about. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare, guys. And furthermore, any inquiry, yes, any confusion, then blindly you can drop the query in the comments box. I will reply to everyone in course of time, guys, and spontaneously. How to like this tutorial? Don't forget, leave the feedbacks below the comment box. Spontaneously. Also, I recommend to you guys, if you are unable to do these kind of the, especially the procedure, because I have created this kind of the environment by customizing of everything of the setup on, especially here, and in a multiple actually I'm the Gmail I have the recovery issue. what we will do here, if you don't have any problem to disclose your Gmail recovery on these channels, then in a public domain, then you can send your Gmail. I will rescue, and thereupon, of course, I will deliver to you with fully secured. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.